હેલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આજના આપણા વિડીયોમાં આપણે ધોરણ 11 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ યુનિટ 3 રીડ 2 કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન 2 વુડમેન સ્પેર ધ ટ્રી ના સંપૂર્ણ લેખિતમાં સમજૂતી સાથેના સોલ્યુશનની ચર્ચા કરીશું. જો તમે આપણી ચેનલમાં નવા હો તો તમે તેને લાઇક, શેર અને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ જરૂરથી કરી દેજો. તો ચાલો આપણે સોલ્યુશન શરૂ કરીએ. તો રીડ 2 વુડમેન સ્પેર ધ ટ્રીના કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન 2નો ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે કે પુટ ટ્રી ઓર ફોલ્સ, કે જેનો ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે કે ધીસ કેક ઇઝ વાઇડર દેન ઇટ્સ હાઇટ. ફોલ્સ. સેકન્ડ, ધ ટ્રી ઇઝ નોન ઓનલી ઇન ધ પોએટ્સ વિલેજ. ફોલ્સ. ધ વુડ કટર ડીડ નોટ લિસન ટુ ધ પોએટ્સ અપીલ. ફોલ્સ. Fourth, the roots of the oak tree have gone deep into the soil. True. Fifth, the woodcutter was invited to cut the oak tree. True. Now, our second question is arrange the sentences in a proper sequence according to the poem. So now, our first sentence will be it was planted by the poet's grandfather. Second one is it was a very famous tree. Third one is it is well known in surrounding areas. Fourth one is the tree is very high. Fifth one is the poet wished to sit under the tree under the shade of the big oak. And our sixth one is the poet passed his life in the company of the tree. So now our third question is complete this table. So in this question, a description, line and phrase are given to us. So now our first description is poets appeal to the woodcutter. Its line, woodmen spare their tree, and its phrase, don't cut the tree and leave it. Our second description is poets appeal to the woodman. Line, they axe shall harm it not. Third, so his phrase, don't harm it with your axe. Third description is description of the tree. Line, that old familiar tree, and its phrase, it was a famous tree. So now our fourth description is description of the tree's height. So its line, now towering to the skies, and its phrase, it is very tall. So now our fourth question is answer the following question in one or two sentences each. First question is what does the poet appeal to the woody man? So its answer is the poet G.P. Morris appeals to the woodman not to fell the tree. The poet owes a lot to the tree and was emotionally attached to the tree. Therefore, he requests to the woodman to spare the tree. Second question is what does earthbound ties mean? Answer is every tree has roots and roots are deeply bound into the tree. Therefore, earthbound ties means the roots of the tree with which the tree is bound to the earth. Third question is describe the tree in brief. Answer, the oak tree for which the poet appeals to the woodman not to cut was shown by his forefather. It was a very old and huge tree. It was a popular tree whose glory and fame was spread till long distance over land and sea. Our fourth question is which feeling of the poet for the oak tree appealed to you? Mark three properties. First one, the tree was planted by the poet's grandfather. Second, it was planted near his house. Third one, the poet played with his sister under the tree. Fourth, he experienced the tender love of mother and under the tree. It was a huge well-known tree. So answer, the three properties are sentences number 4, 3 and 1. So now our fifth question is do you remember any tree which you like when you are a child? Mention 2 to 3 memories connected with the tree. So you can write this answer like this. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.